The DistroKid app is now available on iOS, so head on over to the App Store and download it today. That's right, DistroKid has made it easier for you to keep your listeners more engaged with your music, all while making it more convenient for you to collect your royalties from those streams. All possible with the DistroKid iPhone app. And I would like to thank DistroKid for sponsoring this video so that I can tell you all about it. DistroKid makes music distribution fun and easy with unlimited uploads and artists keeping 100% of their royalties and earnings. Over 1 million artists rely on DistroKid to get their music into Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, TikTok, Tidal, Instagram, and all other major streaming services. And in this video, I want to share with you 4 key features from this iPhone app that I think you're really gonna love and that's gonna help you with distributing your music. But first, make sure that you click the link in the description so that you can pick up your special VIP discount when signing up with DistroKid. Save money before you make money. It's a win-win. First key feature that I want to talk to you about is getting notified when you collect royalties. Every time you earn royalties from your music using the DistroKid app, you will hear a cash register ring. No, really. It actually makes this sound when you earn royalties. And for me, it's pretty motivating. Add lyrics and credits to your song right from your iPhone. Having lyrics available for people to read through while listening to your music keeps them connected and more engaged, which leads to more stream time, resulting in more earnings. They've also got this incredibly cool and modern feature to make it more convenient for you. You can click on that AI button to see if it does in fact read all of your lyrics. You don't even have to worry about putting them in there yourself. Something I want to know. Do you already include lyrics to all of your songs that are on streaming platforms? Let me know in the comments. Conveniently checking your stats. Having certain statistics on your music is a great way to market your fan base. Having this information helps you know where to tour or engage with your top fans directly. Easily share hyper-follow links to your social media accounts for marketing your music. Because like it or not, social media is the easiest and most beneficial way to interact with your fans. And being able to do that from your smartphone makes it super easy. So if you're ready to start distributing your music to all major streaming platforms and social media accounts, then go ahead, click on the link in the description so that you can save on your DistroKid membership as a special VIP discount code right there. Once you get all of your music set up there, head on over to the iOS App Store and download the DistroKid app so that you can be notified in the best possible way when you get paid. All right, y'all, thanks so much for watching this video. We'll talk soon.